In today's video, I will show you how to install an MT4 indicator or trading system in an MT4 terminal. This is an indicator file. You need to copy this file and paste it inside the indicators folder found inside the data folder. This is done by navigating from the data folder to MQL4 and then to indicators. Once this is done, just close this window and come back to your MT4 terminal and within the navigator window, you will find your file. But before that, you need to refresh. Once the file is located, just drag and drop on the chart. Now you should be able to view the visuals plotted by the indicator and you have successfully installed it in your system.